In this video, I'm going to talk about Power BI versus Tablio and which is better. In this video, I want to talk about both of these tools and which is going to be better for your specific use case. So both of these tools are well-regarded business intelligence tools used for data visualization and analysis. However, they have distinct strengths and weaknesses. And in this video, I'm going to give you a breakdown to help you make the better decision. So first, for Tablio, the strengths are going to be the advanced visualizations. It offers a wider range of chart types and greater customization options for creating stunning and impactful data visualizations. It has an active community that you can find where they document all of their changes, all of their suggestions, and everything that is going to be implemented into the tool. Plus, you get a lot of support for learning and troubleshooting. And finally, it has cross-platform support between Windows and Mac, offering flexibility for different user preferences. Like I said, everything is well documented, and you have some advanced options to make tables and customize your use case. Now, the weaknesses are going to be the cost, where Tablio's pricing structure can be expensive or more expensive than Power BI, especially for larger teams or enterprise use. It is going to have a learning curve for you to achieve those advanced customization options, and the data modeling capabilities are considered less robust. Finally, it has limited collaboration features. Even though you can have cross-platform support between Windows and Mac, the cross-platform or collaboration features won't be as many. Finally, for Power BI, it is going to be cost-effective because it offers a free desktop version, so if you scroll down in the main page, you will be able to find it here, and tiered subscription plans that can be more affordable. It has a lot of ease of use. It's known for its intuitive interface and user-friendly feature, usually with drag and drop aspects, making it easier for beginners with minimal coding experience to pick up. It has Microsoft integration, so if you already use the Microsoft ecosystem like Excel and other tools, this might be best for you, and it offers a lot of collaboration features, allowing users to easily share and interact with dashboards and reports. So this is an example here of everything that is going to be allowed in the service. So you will be able to find everything available here, and you can see how it looks, the pricing, and so on. So it mostly comes down to considering the visualization needs. If you want highly customizable and visually integrate dashboards, Tablio might be the option because of its more advanced tools, but there is the learning curve like I mentioned previously. And if you are already into an existing Microsoft ecosystem, it should be better for you to use Power BI because it is going to make it easier to import and export data from those tools. I hope I was able to help you on making a decision between Power BI and Tablio. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.